If you run a business, you need to be producing high quality and relevant videos. But if you're not, then you're in the right place today because I'm going to be showing you how to write a promotional video script for your business that will help you attract more customers. Hey everybody, I'm Richard Cruz. My agency, WSI Priority Media, tests new Google Ads and YouTube ad strategy every day. And we're discovering what's working, what's not. In these videos, I give you the latest tips and information to be able to help you get great marketing results with your own Google Ads campaigns also. So when you're putting together a video, do your research first. Make sure you're finding the topics or the problems that people are interested in. Decide your platform also, where you're going to be delivering your video and what the right audience is. For example, for Facebook, you need to stop the thumb. And so you have to have really strong pattern interrupts. But for YouTube, however, it's different. And so you want to start with a how-to approach. The number one keyword on YouTube is how to. People come to YouTube looking to learn or to solve problems. I run a Google Ads agency and a YouTube Ads agency, and we run a lot of YouTube ads. So in this video, I'm going to focus on showing you how to write a promotional video script for YouTube so that you can attract more customers with a video that is actually relevant and useful without worrying about subscribers. So step one is your keyword research. So many people forget to do this. Your keyword research is crucial. Always start there. Find out what people want to know. Don't worry about all of the technical aspects of your video being perfect. Write a great promotional script and just make sure you're focusing in on what the problems are that they have or the solutions that they want to be able to get. My favorite tools for keyword research are these. First is TubeBuddy. I like it because I can see what people are searching for and related topics, and it makes it easy when I need to know how to write a promotional video script. It's a Chrome plugin too that makes it super easy. Another favorite for even deeper promotional video script research is called askthepublic.com. With this tool, I can hone in on what people are asking, and it helps me get that promotional video script done. Step two, focus on their issue. Once you understand their problem, focus on video that's giving them the tips and the information that are going to be relevant and helpful to them to solve their problem or to learn what they want to know. Look, folks, don't worry about giving away all your secrets. I see so many people get hung up on not wanting to disclose their secrets. Don't do that. Don't be that guy. Look, we live in an information age and your secrets are probably not so secret. So be a source of trusted information. Be transparent, give away your knowledge, and trust that what goes around comes around. And I believe you'll be rewarded if you just help people and give your knowledge away. Step number three. Offer your solutions once you help solve a problem or an answer or a question that somebody is looking for. It's okay to let them know your expertise and you can explain to them how you can be of further help to them. Step four, keep it simple. Don't go into information overload. Pick 3 to 5 points and make your video on that. According to studies, brains can only focus and retain 3 main points at a time. So if a topic has a long list of points, I recommend breaking up your video into micro segments, like say a 5-video series, for example. So when the first video plays, you can set up your auto suggest and your end cards to queue up the next video in the series and suggest that one. Here's a pro tip too, by the way. You will score great brownie points with YouTube when you do this. Their algorithm, it senses that people are watching more of your videos and your content is valuable, basically is what they're thinking, or their system is thinking, because they want more of you. Step 5, promote and measure. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see people make when they make promotional video and they don't measure the engagement. Run your video in Google Ads and focus on two numbers, the view rate and then the percentage watched to 100%. The data will tell you how effective your promotional video script was. Find the videos that are getting the highest scores and then make more like that. And that, folks, is how to write a promotional video script for your business. And if you'd like to learn how to get more traffic to your videos on a continuous basis, you know what? Grab a copy of our third book. It's called Digital Minds. It is the #1 book on advanced digital marketing. And it's loaded with tips and strategies that we developed in our own agency. It's $20 on Amazon, but if you click the link below, you can get a digital copy absolutely free. Make sure also that you like, that you subscribe so that you're alerted to future videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.